Good evening, everyone. Time for the daily video. So we have a lot of opportunities here, even though the market it was in a very tight range, but still there were opportunities. And even in ranging days, it's a matter of switching between your time frames and be able to profit on something. All right. So the daily have started in mm, so by around here, when you see this breakout in the London session, breaking through this zone here, so that was kind of the start of the day in the London session. And then from there, you have the price broke out from this blue zone, which was support yesterday. Um, and then we came and retested. All right. So the first opportunity is when you see this candle with such a big wick in here, this candle here. This is a rejection, isn't it? It went up, rejected all this resistance here, this support that was now resistance, and it came down again. So when we breach in this the low of this 15-minute candle, it's until the next zone, which was right here. Yeah, that was the best opportunity of the day for 20 pips, around 20 pips there. All right. So yeah, I wasn't. I just start late in the day. I don't trade the London session, but the opportunity is here. So after that, okay, we come down to the support, we bounce back, and not really. You cannot take this trade, this candle down because you don't have room for it to go anywhere. Um, the next opportunity, uh, yeah, is just here. All right, we just like I'm going to put a line here. Okay, so this was the kind of the support yesterday, and today price reacted there, and when it went there again, it reacted again. You see, so yeah, from there you have this bearish candle, and the wise thing is in the break of this bearish candle, you just take a short, and it's good. Yeah, it gave you like 14 pips in there. All right, so yeah, there is a bit of a drawdown there. Look, it goes against you for a bit. 7 pips drawdown. Yeah, it's tough. Probably I would be closing off of my position or maybe I would be closing my full position if I was in the trade, because we have this bullish candle here, and yeah, you don't wanna have bullish candles when you are shorting. So yeah, and maybe I would take again after the price coming down again. So after this breach of the bullish candle, you still have 10 pips to do. So yeah, it's very tight, but it's possible. It's possible there. Yeah. Okay, the next trade from there. So price came up again, reacted again, make this week here. Very very beautiful week. At the same time, we are bouncing from the EMA 26, isn't the EMA 26 there? So price now is like doing a bearish pin bar in the EMA 26 and closing below. So yeah, the breach of this candle is another great opportunity here. It's just you gotta be careful with this zone here, this zone here, because it's 7 pips. It depends on the price action, isn't it? So it's 7 pips here. 7 pips is not enough as a target, but if you trade it all the way to the bottom, it's again 20 pips. So the trades are here. It's just a matter of taking advantage of them. Uh, and from there, what we have, this is nothing. This one, why this is nothing? Okay, you have a bearish candle. You broke out the bearish candle, but you have no room, right? You have 8 pips till the bottom. There is no room for a trade here, right? And you don't want to risk price to bounce back, and no, 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 no. You just don't do that. So you wait for the support to break, and then you start thinking about trading the retest of that. You know. Yeah. So price then went up very strongly. You almost think, okay, this thing is reversing, but it's not. It went up very strongly, then tested here, and yeah, and we breached those two. We breached that resistance there, but we didn't close above. We closed below. All right, and that was my trade for the day. I just when price broke up down that very bullish candle, I just took the trade. You can see it here, and I took like 11 pips on it, something like that. The risk reward is not good on this trade, but again, like because the risk reward is like 18 pips, you see around 18 pips, and if you put a target of 18 pips, that's this zone here, but mm, eh, from experience, more often than not, price doesn't do 18 pips straight without taking you at break even. All right. And if you put break even after 10 pips, the chances are you are going to be taken out. So it's better to take 10, 11, 12 than wait for the 18, because the 18 price will come back, take you out, and then it goes to the 18. That's the problem. So just no point of doing that. Just take your 10 or 11 or 12 pips, and that's it. It's good. And yeah, and that's it. That was my day, and now it's like 4:30, almost 5 o'clock GMT, and there's nothing more to trade here. So I'm done for that. Just one trade, but yeah, it was what it was. It's yeah, it's good enough. It's good enough. Okay, guys. Cheers. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Cheers.